Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to block a YouTube channel in just a few simple steps. Now, whether you want to block unwanted content or prevent a channel from commenting on your videos, I got you covered. Now let's get started. Now, the first thing is to get a video from that channel. Either you go on and you search for their page, or you can just go with a recommended video from that page. Now for me, I'm going to be going with a recommended video. I'm going to be clicking on the three dots on that video, and then you are going to be tapping on not interested. Guys, you're going to tap on not interested, and if you want to take this a bit further and you do not want to see any content from this channel, all you need to click is do not recommend this channel. Now be sure to say that none of their videos will pop up on your feed. If you want to stop this channel from interacting with your channel, all you need to do is to go to the channel, and then you're going to be clicking on the three dots on the channel, and guys, you're going to be clicking hide user from my channel, and you're tapping again on hide user. With this, it's preventing the channel owner from commenting, liking, subscribing, or even visiting your channel. So any form of interaction from this channel is going to be stopped after this action is taken. And that is how you block a YouTube channel. Now, if this video helped you out, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.